Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can beautify your cinematic video in CapCut. So first, add your clips to CapCut and then just go to adjust and then use this color adjustment to your video. So first, set the brightness into -10 and then the contrast into 10 and saturation 20. Then set the exposure into 20, sharpen 100, sharpen 20 also, and then go to shadow and set it into 26. Then after that, click on temp and set it into -20. Okay, and then click on the HSL, and for the red color, set the hue into 30. And then the saturation 60. Click on the orange color and set the hue into -70. And then the saturation 100. Click on the yellow color, set the hue into -55. And then the saturation 30. And then for the green color, set the hue into 100 and then the saturation -80 and the luminance -45. And then for the blue color, set the hue into -65. And then after that, go back and then click on the check icon. Set this effect to all of the clips, and now here is the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.